little Stella home for the first time.
It's a new baby puppy.
She's only 8 weeks old. Aria, that baby.
I think they're communicating.
That baby. Aria.
Good baby. Good baby.
Baby. Baby. Baby, Aria. That's a baby. Say hi, Stella. No, you be nice. You be nice girl.
Stella ain't scared, I'll tell you what.
She's a brave butt.
Well, Aria never tries to do anything for cats.
No.
You're supposed to snip them.
Aria.
Little Stella girl. Where's her other bowl at?
I took her out to get water.
Oh. Naughty girl.
Oh, you want me to get water in it? Did you?
Yeah.
Stella girl, be nice.
It's your sister. She's like, I didn't sign up for this.
Nice girl, Aria.
It's Aria's wagging her tail.
Yeah.
Be nice.
It's a good sign.
What a good girl, Aria.
Stella.
Such a
Hey, Stella.
Stella girl. Say hi. Say hi. Say hello.
It's like
Let her
here.
smell it.
No. Over there. It's green and red.
Hi, baby.
Like inside the couch with the head sticking out.
Good girl. Hi, Stella. Good girl.
Stella.
Stella before wasn't used to us, but now she's all like used to us.
I'll give it to her in a minute because I don't want to
Okay.
You do it. 'Cause
open
I
it
don't
yet,
want to
Richie.
get.
I'm not gonna open it just now. Aria's right here.
What a good girl, Aria. What a good girl. Oh,
Stella the whole way with Stella.
what a good girl.
When can we let Stella rate her out? Until we get used to it.
Getting some water.
They're getting used to each other. You had to the camera, sweetie. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. How do you guys like our new baby puppy? She's so cute and so exciting. Thumbs up this video. Subscribe.
Oh, what a nice girl, Aria. What a good girl you are. What a good girl you are.
She wants to come out.
A little bit I did.
What a
Yeah.
good girl. What a good girl.
Because
She went potty, Mom. I'm ready to tell you.
Where's all of her toys, Ashley?
I have
honey, it's alright. Sometimes calm stuff. That means calm, baby. But we will let her. Good girl. And a dog, one of the puppies have to live far, far away from this gate.
She's gonna get how big she'll get.
good girl. Rose.
They
Stella.
said
Stella.
she's supposed to be small.
She's going
Stella.
to only get to be about, maybe she said 17 pounds. Maybe.
That's like
Stella.
She'll be little.
We're going to remember everything on the audio.
yeah, it's very tiny.
Yeah, maybe. I thought it was on the tiny. After they get used to each other, then you can hold Stella and Papa. You can too.
Okay, good.
She's a snuggler, that's for sure.
Yeah, sweet.
She's a sweet puppy.
She's a baby, honey.
Ow!
Her tail.
The kids are knocking me over. Can I hold her? Put her down. Yeah. I want to show Mimi and Papa how I hold the big buddy Stella. I don't know how to hold her.
You can sit down and hold her and mommy and daddy helps you.
Okay, yeah.
So her and Aria, let Aria sniff, okay? That's how they do. They sniff each other's butts.
I don't think she's going to be able to sniff her.
She's licking Aria's nose.
Good girl, Aria.
Yeah, she wants.
Good girl, Aria.
Get out of my butt.
Aw, she's trying to lick Aria. She's trying to lick her. Good girl, Aria Rose. Good girl.
She's licking her baby. Mom, she's licking her. Yeah, she's licking her baby.
What a good girl, Aria. She's licking her. She's trying to like clean her up or
She
something.
is. It's her baby, Mom. Duh, it's her baby.
Aw, she's trying to lick
Mom,
Aria.
this is the first time you let Stella down since the second you picked her up when we were at her
We let
house.
her go potty. Let her sniff her, guys. They gotta get used to each other. What a good girl, Aria.
She knows that it's a baby.
Aria Rose, Aria Rose. Be nice. Be nice.
Is Stella trying to pee?
I don't know.
Maybe.
We can't tell.
She's smelling. Aria, let her walk. Amelia, leave her alone, honey. Let her sniff her up. Be nice, girl, Aria.
Aria.
She's feisty.
Amelia, back up, honey. Let her smell her. Stay in one spot. Stop moving around. She's trying to lick Aria.
It's all right.
Good girl.
You're such a Stella. Stella had time till I emptied the tire work.
Come here, Aria. It's okay. Come here. Come here.
What happened?
She's
Rubber
just
throat.
stressed. She's getting nervous. It's okay. Nice. Be a nice girl. Nice girl, Aria.
I don't know what to do.
She's a little nervous.
Ava.
Ava, get your hand out of the way, please. Aria, nice.
Aria.
Aria. Do nice. Do
Sit.
nice. Do nice. Be nice.
Lay on her back.
She's used to the sliding glass door. When the lady says she takes them out, they all follow her. Because they like, no.
My goodness. Stop. Mommy, I think
I'm
so.
serious.
Mommy, I think she likes my pink car because she definitely under. Oh, you stole
Her back half doesn't, it's like chopping along sideways something.
Thing in her mouth. She has this piece of a stick.
Oh, you got like the chewy stuff, right? I bet she loved that one thing. You got that chewy little rawhide like thing. The little
We have to keep
bones.
her safe.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to give her one, yeah.
We gotta keep her safe from
Seems
anything
like she already knows
in
her
the
name.
backyard.
She's playful.
Anything in the backyard that is not safe for her.
Gotta watch for ant piles and
Yeah.
bees and stuff like that.
Yeah, you get to hold her. Just want Aria under the barn first. Then you're not holding her, and then Aria's like,
Yeah.
yeah, 'cause Mom is
Oh, she's in grass.
way overboard with me.
Gotta watch if she's not eating
Mimi,
rocks or anything.
Good girl, Aria. Good girl. Come on, I'll
She's getting that creepy thing that Richard.
Ew, what is it?
That
It's a
creepy,
fish.
yucky thing.
She's trying to eat
that.
Stella.
Yeah.
Aria, careful.
Stella.
Well, let Aria play too.
Stella.
Gotta go in someplace.
Funny mushroom.
Really careful.
Now she wants the mushroom now.
Hey, we may try staying here for a little bit.
Tries to
You
get
want
the bolt
Stella?
out of the thing.
Stay.
She's waiting for she wants to play with it. Aria keeps licking her.
Stella, you want a bike
She's
ride?
chewing on the bike.
Stella's even smaller. Mommy.
What?
Mommy, I just want Stella to go in here and have a little
Oh.
She flipped.
Did she?
Stella's in a front flip, baby. Look at that, boy, and did the front flip.
Good girl.
This is Stella, Papa.
She's trying to get that bone. Oh my, look at her.
Aria's not getting jealous either.
Come here, Mimi. Mimi.
She tries to get anything.
Mimi.
Stella. You're eating dirt.
That's a dirty bone, Stella. And sitting out here.
You're already dirty enough.
This girl, Aria. She's going to be getting a lot of baths.
Yeah.
Aria, you're going to be cleaning her up a lot. She keeps cleaning her.
All new surroundings. She's got to figure everything
Look
out.
at the bone. She got Arya's bone.
Gosh, Stella. She's picking it up. She's like a little black She's rabbit. A pig. She's a pig, guys. Mommy. I don't want her like to stay over here. I want her to like go in the hole back.
Well, she's little, honey. This is a big space for her. She's used to being in a small area. She'll get used to it. What is she doing, Ari Rose? What is she doing? She's silly. Good girl, Aria. What a good girl.
I'll go get socks.
Careful.
Man, that dog is cute.
Oh my God.
Guess what? Mom, she's way fast. Mom. Mom,
She's very fast. When she pops.
oh my goodness.
She's like a bunny rabbit.
What does she have now?
A bone.
Arya's bone.
Arya's being very good about all that.
Aria's
Yeah,
being a
Aria,
good
yeah.
girl. What a good girl, Aria.
Mom, hey, Mommy. Mommy, he's sharing. Mom,
Yes.
Mommy, Aria's sharing her toys.
Girl.
Mommy,
Yes.
Aria's sharing her toys.
Yes, she is. Careful.
Stella. Honey, you have toys. You have toys.
Millie. Stella.